We are back again live from the command center with the JW Solar USA. Today is another part 2 of my video with the Ultra Pro Signal Finder HD amplified antenna made by General Electric, built-in LED signal meter, and is optimized for 4K ultra high definition, full HD 1080p, HDTV, very high frequency, that's the VHF, and ultra high frequency. This is a free local TV antenna, so you can have free to air satellite television or free to air broadcast. So if you're looking for free to air broadcast, a local channel, you just found yourself one live here at the JW Solar USA. And this one can work within a 60 miles radius for broadcast source, which is by the tower, the transmitter. And it's a lifetime warranty. So I talked about it yesterday. I just want to bring you guys here. This is the real thing right here. And it's already out of the box, and I see a preloop of what I just showed you. Here is the receiver, okay, and here is the antenna right here. So these are the built-in LED for signal finders. There's an on and off button right here. It turns the light on and off. The top one is for the signal strength, the other one is for the orientation. So you can able to pan your antenna back and forth to get a better signal. And back here you can see the model number, the 40529 Ultra Pro Signal Finder HD Amplified Antenna, made in China. Woohoo! Well, this is 7 inches. I think it's 7 inches in diameter. This is a 17.8 centimeter. Okay, you see there's a holes back here. You can able to if you want to do this, is just gonna be is a template right there. So just telling you the distance from that hole to the other, from left to right, is about 7 point something inches. Okay, 7 inches, which is a 17.8 centimeter, sorry. So at the bottom here you can see 2 studs right here, this one here and the other one here. There's gonna be like a kickstand if you know mount your antenna, so you can sit on a desk or your TV coffee table, wherever you can have a better signal. You can see on the center here there are grooves that you can align the cable, the wire, how you want it. You have some security lock screws on it, so that people like to monkey around things, they can't able to open it unless you have the security key tool to open it. So you see the groove right here. It depends if it's done vertical like this or you decided to go horizontal, whatever you want to do. This is a flat thing. Is very, very, very light. So this button right here is the one that turns the signal. You can see the lights on if you want to leave them on, if you don't want them to bother you. And that's it, And back here we're coming to the receiver. Here the receiver, look at that. It gives you the model number is the 40529 Ultra Pro Signal Finder HD Amplified Antenna, made in China. Okay, it's a 1810. There's nothing on the back here. It just tells you how the antenna feeds up here, and this is the output. This part, tail part, is going to your television. Then you get a power source right here. If you look at it, let's take a look. It takes a less amp. If you see that, the model number ANS. Let me see here. I'm reading from the screen. ANS 133. So the input voltage, it takes international. It takes 110. Okay, let's make this steady so that we can read it. takes from 100 to 240. So guys, international, if you guys want to buy something like this, don't hesitate. This thing works because it uses the international from 100 to 240. It doesn't show the hertz, but it will work. And it takes the output is a 6 volt at 0.2. It's not even a 2 amps, it's 0.2, is 2 millivolt. 2 millivolt. It's a little tiny thing, small, so light. You can tell there are not like a lot of resources they put into this, like building it. So make it so light so that you can able to if you carry it because of weight and all that kind of stuff, and it's easy to transport, you know, and mostly for shipping. Look at this one here, 6 volts. You see that little hole right here is a LED indicator. So this one show you that the device is powered, and that's how you know the device is working, is receiving transmission. Stay tuned. When I power this device, you're gonna be see these indicators right here. Exactly, it's gonna happen like that. I don't have to hook it up on a television to see if my signal strength, but you can see as soon as I pan it back and forth, you can see where the signal is stronger and weaker. Stay tuned, subscribe and share. All right, folks, let me show you right there. I got my power strip right there, and you guys been seeing this on my videos, powered through the solar. There you go, there is power in the house. It has, you know, see all the good stuff right here. So we're gonna be plugging this device adapter in, and if I can show you, like I said earlier, this device got a little LED indicator. Here's the plug right here, and power. You see that? That's a little thing that tells you this box is working, so you don't have to guess. Probably if something happened, you started saying, oh, maybe that box is burnt out or something. No. So this is how it is. It's a little light, but it's really, really bright. So right now in the background there, you can see the antenna started picking up already. And so see, so now it's on full signal. You can tell because the top lights are the signal bars if you receive a high signal, and the bottom one, it tells you is the orientation. So right now, let's see here and see what we can do. Pan it, and you guys can see. There we go. That's a clear broadcast right here. If I plug it on the TV, you guys can see pictures coming live. It's almost hitting the 5. Like, there you go. Wow. The top one has 2 lights. It's still good because it's medium range. So let me pan. You see it's falling. It's falling. So let's go this way. There we go. Right now, oh boy, 5. The orientation, this is a good orientation there. The signal strength is 2 bars. So let's keep going this way, and you guys can see. There we go. We hit it. So if the bottom one lit up really all the way to the brim right there, and the top one is low, that means it's not going to give you no picture. The orientation is okay, but the signal strength is off. All right, so I'm moving around, and see I'm panning until the antenna, as you guys can see, and here we go. So at this point, I would just you see right here where everything is going. Then hey folks, this is a free television broadcast. Look at that, it's on the floor and everything is just working. All right, so this is how we're gonna wrap up this video for today, and stay tuned. I'm gonna be bringing you a live coverage on how you scan the channels, how many channels you can have, free local TV. And these are some of the channels that were there, like I said yesterday. And this thing, I'm not too far away from the transmitter, the local transmitter, but it depends kind of objects you have around, but buildings might be some obstacles too. But anyway, this is how it is. You have Fox TV, Fox HD, MSNBC, you have ABC and PBS. We also have Univision. That's why you can watch a lot of games like soccer and all cool stuff. It's a Spanish speaking channel. It's really cool. Univision is really cool. Some of the things that the cable company deprive you from seeing, Univision give it to you. All right. So as long as you have the signal for it, Univision, and you are able to watch a lot of stuff. So you don't mind the caption. You can turn the caption on and read whatever. It's fine with you. That's good. But if you don't like caption, turn the sound off and just watch your thing. All right. So all you guys out there, international, local, national, this is your guy right here, JW Solo USA, just bringing you another episode on this. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Bye. Subscribe, share, and thumbs up. Alright guys, I just want to show you the antenna and put it right, just set it by the eagle, my eagle on the wall, and stay tuned. Let's do this. I'm gonna do the review of this, and let's go to the board. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.